Alright, so let's get going on the 3D print of the first part of the new logo, or artwork, I guess would be the right way to say it. So get the base laid out here, the raft, going pretty fast. It's just going to keep going there. Going at a different angle here. And soon enough, it'll be coming back. And there it goes, coming back this way. Just about done with that, and then it'll move on to a little bit of support material. Just to make it easier to get off of the raft that's been laid down. A few more passes like this and it'll be good to go. I think we're just about there. That lays down the bottom of the model, in this case the back. And then we'll be on to the infill. Nearly there. Just a little bit more to go here, I believe. And we'll be ready to go. Always hard to remember exactly what happened and how many layers and passes it was. But we're now at the infill stage. And it's slowly building up in height. A little bit longer and you'll be able to discern something different here. I can say that because I do remember how tall it was on the build plate in the final form, or final layer. It is getting there. It's just these things take a little bit of time, you know. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with it at all. I do like the new camera mount. Loads better than the other method of having a camera mounted to a tripod. Though I probably could have angled this to where it would be more interesting for the viewer, in other words you. Maybe I'll remember that next time, hopefully. I think we're just about there. I say it and it's still going at the same rate. Should be getting there though. Just about. I know what I'm looking for in the motions of the printer. It's just going on a little bit longer than I thought it would. Thought we would already be at the point I'm expecting. Here we go. So now it's putting the front or the top on. And then it will begin building the other elements. Starting to see some potentially lifting up over the edge there. We'll be seeing more momentarily. All right. Yeah, I think we can see a little bit over the edge there. I'm definitely seeing it now. Little layer with a gap in between. So this will just keep on going for a little bit longer. I do believe what's building on the right is just about done. On the left has a decent way to go yet still. Yeah, the right side is done. Focusing only on the left now. So this will be finished up momentarily. which is just how it should be. And you should be able to recognize what's building up now. Yes, it's one of the brick turret structure things from the side. Nearly there, I say again. And I do that because I feel we're closer than we probably actually are. But no, that's definitely getting close to where it should be. We're just about done with this part, and I couldn't be happier. A little bit more rounding on the top there, and it is done. And here's the 3D print file on the 3D print on the print bed. Let's get it off of there. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Looks exactly like I had hoped it would. Just got to get it off the print bed, and there we go. Slide that to the side there. Let's take a look at what we have here. That looks pretty good. Can we get the support material and the raft off easy? Yes, we can. A little bit of support material there and there. And it's done. First of 3. Hey there everyone. Just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.